Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel a scheduled transfer on your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for bank accounts. Under Bank Accounts, you will see your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Click on your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Now you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Scheduled Transfers. Click on Scheduled Transfers. On this page, you will see a section for your scheduled transfers. On its right side, you will see three buttons which are View, Edit, and Delete. To continue, click on the Delete button next to the scheduled transfer you want to cancel. After that, a pop-up message will appear asking you if you're sure that you want to delete the transfer. To continue, click on Delete this transfer. And now you will see a message saying that your transfer has been deleted. That's how you cancel a scheduled transfer on your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.